Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is the weekly forecast for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin the next days or the next week? We will check this together. Today we have the October the 10th and a lot of things to watch, guys. So let's start this. And we are starting with CoinMarketCap. What's going on here? You can see Bitcoin is growing a little bit on the day, on 24 hours, 1.24% in the plus. But look at here, Ethereum is going down a little bit, 0.7. ADA Cardano is going down a little bit, 1.17. Binance coin is going down. The XRP coin is going up with 13% in the plus. Solana is going down a little bit, Polkadot is going up a little bit, so you can see the most coins are going sideways or a little bit to the upside, but Bitcoin is going up really nice, also on 24 hours. So for the moment, it's better to trade Ethereum. Not Ethereum, it's better to trade Bitcoin, guys. You can see Binance coin is going down on the weekly, 2.4%. Only XRP is going up nice in the weekly, and Polkadot is going up really nice in the weekly. Solana is going down a little bit, 9.4% in the weekly. And so on and so on and so on. So what is going on with the dominance for Bitcoin? Let's check this, guys, now together. This is really important. So it's important to trade for the moment Bitcoin, or is it important to trade the altcoins? Okay, we will check this now. Bitcoin on the week, as I told you, 16% in the plus. And you can see here on the upper side, Bitcoin dominance is growing, 44.9%. I will show you very soon what does this mean and if we can see, if we can wait for a bigger pump for Bitcoin against the altcoins or not. Let's check the dominance here on this screen, guys. This is also really important. You can see here on this chart picture a nice Bitcoin dominance, but it's better to watch it here, guys. So this was, or this is the Bitcoin dominance. It was on 69 points here on 2020 or 2020, yes, and it's going down now. It's going down to 42% for the moment, 44% for today. And you can see we are building maybe a bottom here. We will check this together in a chart picture if this is the bottom now, if we will see more pump. For the moment, Bitcoin is going up more, as I told you, as the other coins. You can see here this gray line here on the downside is Ethereum is going sideways and a little bit to the upside, and the most altcoins on the downside are going down a little bit against Bitcoin. This is important. So this is maybe now the bottom. Let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this on a special chart picture. There's a special chart picture on TradingView, and I can show you there the future maybe of this dominance for Bitcoin. So this is the daily chart picture from TradingView, the Bitcoin dominance against the altcoins. For the moment, we have over 12,000 altcoins. That's amazing. And you can see it here. We are here on 44 points. Every candle here is 1 day, as I told you. And maybe we are building here the bottom on the downside. But let me start this TA with a really easy thing. This is our parallel channel from the upside to the downside. To this point, we have red, yes, a downgoing trend is always a red one, a red parallel channel, a red downgoing channel. And you can see why we are fighting here for the moment with this line. We are over the middle line. This is the first good thing for the dominance for Bitcoin. We are fighting with the middle line. You can see we fight it here with the middle line. We saw it up and down here with the middle line. Here is spike, perfect to the middle line. And then we broke the middle line to the upside. Since this point, we are over the middle line, but we are going down more and more. Okay, but we need the fight with the middle line. The middle line is our support for the moment. So you can see we are now over this support line and we are in this big downtrend. But guys, we can make one stuff. We can also make on the short time frame a nice parallel channel to the upside. Let me show you. Let's zoom in a little bit more and let's make this nice parallel channel from the downside to the upside. So this is now a green, nice little uptrend. And you can see why we are fighting again in this moment. We are fighting again in this moment because we are fighting with this little uptrend middle line. We are for the moment under this middle line and we need a fight over this middle line for the Bitcoin dominance. So for the moment, you can see the dominance is growing from 40 points up to 40% up to 44%, but we are fighting now with the middle line, and here we're going sideways a little bit under the middle line. We need a confirmed closing candle over the middle line to see more pump for Bitcoin. If we will see a retracement from here, we may go down and the altcoins may grow more. So this is really important, guys, to watch if we are trading altcoins or if we are trading Bitcoin. For the moment, it's nice. So let me show you this. This is also really important. This is the Fibonacci Retracement. last but not least, for this dominance, it's also important. We have a really nice retracement here, and the 0.236 line, this yellow line here, is about 47%. And as long as we are under 47.7%, we are here in big troubles with this dominance. So if we will go down more and more, guys, it's important for you to know, okay, dominance is going down, it's better to trade the altcoins. Dominance is going up, it's better to trade Bitcoin. For the moment, we're going up a little bit, so it's better to trade Bitcoin. But we need to watch this important stuff here. So now, guys, let's go back. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. I would like to show you here what's going on in 24 hours and what's going on in 7 days. The last 24 hours, the biggest winner is or was Stacks, 49.6% in the plus. That's amazing. XRP is growing 13.17%. Really nice XRP. Clayton is growing also with 11.61%. Phantom is growing with 10%. Harmony One is growing with 8%. Polkadot is growing with 5.7%. The biggest loser in 24 hours, we will check this now. Wah, 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 wah. And the biggest loser for 24 hours is Shiba Inu, 11% in the minus. But look at the 7 days. Look at the 7 days, 229%. It's amazing, guys. Place number 2 of the baddest performing coins in 24 hours is Ziacon, 7.2%, and Curved Deo is going down 6.5%. So you can see only Shiba Inu is over 10%. All other coins are in the 1% position. 7 days. What's going on here? The biggest winner, guys, remember, Shiba Inu is the biggest loser in 24 hours, but it's the biggest winner in 7 days, 229%. Stacks is going up with 62%, Clayton 50%, Phantom 41%, Harmony One 35%, and so on and so on. These are the biggest winner. Now, the biggest loser in 7 days is OMG Network. OMG Network is going down with 20%, Avalanche 13%, Serum 13%, and so on and so on and so on, guys. These are the biggest loser in 7 days. Okay, let's move on, guys. Next thing. This is TradingView. This is the technical analysis for TradingView, and this is the daily. You can see on the 1 day summary, we should buy Bitcoin. Moving averages are telling us we should strong buy Bitcoin, and the oscillators are neutral. 4 hour. The 4 hour buy, strong buy. 2 hour, strong buy, strong buy. The 1 hour is telling us buy, strong buy. Oscillators are on sell position. Okay, but the most things are telling us we should buy Bitcoin. The weekly is telling us, damn, we should buy Bitcoin, strong buy, and the monthly also, guys, we should buy Bitcoin. Very important, this is not the financial advice, guys. So this is bar chart, and in bar chart we have some interesting things. I post you every day this thing here, our important supports and resistance levels, and you can see for the moment we are here on 55,500. This is the last point, and we are over this first resistance point. This is also really important, 55,400. We need to stay over this. This is a big support for the moment if you're watching at this levels, guys. The next big thing is what to watch is 56,000. 56,000 is a big resistance because we have a lot of things. We have the monthly high, we have the 13-week high here, and we have also the 14-day stochastic skulls here. So a lot of things to watch on this point, 56,000. We will check this now. Before we check this, guys, this is really important. These are the technical patterns, the candlestick patterns. And this is amazing. Look at this. We saw here the 3 outside up, a bullish reversal. I told you yesterday, this is the 5-hour chart. After this 3 outside up bullish reversal, we saw a bullish harami, a harami cross bullish reversal, and now the 3 inside up bullish reversal. Guys, these are all bullish patterns for Bitcoin. So for the moment, everything is telling us, damn, we are going to moon now. These are technical patterns. They are really bullish. Let's check this now. Let's start with our TradingView analyze. This is our diamond pattern from yesterday. It is not the beautiful pattern, but you can see we broke out to the upside. This is really nice. Guys, I told you also, remember the middle line. This middle line is really, really important, and we are fighting with this middle line for the moment. Now, you can see 55,000 is the middle line. You can see our spike over this. Let me show you this nice uptrend. Why it is here a middle line? You can see it on the daily. Here it's better. This is our big parallel channel to the upside. Since 1 year we are in this uptrend, guys, since 1 year, and we have this middle line, and the middle line is so important now for Bitcoin to fight back over the middle line. This is really important. We are fighting with this middle line now. If we can fight over this, everything is possible. But if we will see a retracement from here, everything is possible to the downside. Back to the 4-hour time frame, back to my ugly diamond pattern, back to the breakout, and you can see we closed this candle here. We closed this candle here over the middle line. Now we have a confirmed closing candle for about 1 minute over this middle line. This is really nice. Now we are over the middle line. Perfect, guys. But we need to stay over the middle line. This is really important. Our technical target for breaking out is 57,900. Our Fibonacci line 0.786 is on 57,000, and our point we have to watch for the moment is 55,500. This is this position to the upside, maybe for the next hours, maybe for the next days. This is important now, guys. Here, this fight. What is not important, this is the price breakout to the downside. We can delete it, we can forget it. This is not important for us. Important for us is this breakout of the diamond pattern to the upside and this middle line now. The middle line fight, as I told you yesterday. So this candle has a long wick to the upside. I don't like these long wicks to the upside. They are for the most times showing us we're going down maybe. Remember, guys, long wicks to the downside to the downside are showing us we're going up. Long wicks to the upside are showing us we're going down. And you can see it here. We had a long wick to the downside first. Now we have a long wick to the upside. That's not perfect for the moment. But as long as we are in this nice parallel uptrend channel, everything is okay. Everything is fine. We need to hold 55,500. This is really important. Okay, let me check the next thing. You can see our technical target. I told you the Fibonacci 0.786. Here we are on the technical target on 57,900. We don't need this back to the downside because we broke up to the upside this diamond pattern, and we are still in this parallel channel. Everything is okay. Everything is working fine for us. Guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but this is all my knowledge I have. I'm trading over 5 years, and this is what I can tell you to trade. I'm making good money with this, so I hope you can also make good money with my tips here. So remember, long wick to the downside, a good sign to go up here, a long wick to the upside, a bad sign to go down from here, as I told you. Now, this line is also a support line, and it's possible now, if you are not in a long position, to make a long position here over this middle line is possible, and to set a stop loss maybe under the middle line, guys. Let's watch the RSI. Let's watch this one here. The RSI on the 4-hour time frame is not overbought, not oversold, but it is really high. And we need to watch this. We have a line from the upside to the downside, and this line was a resistance line. It was a red one. But you can see we are now again back over this line. Now it is a green one. So we are over this support line. This is bullish. We saw a breakout over this line. This is a bullish thing with this candle now, and everything is working nice. Also, we can make a line from the downside, from the deepest point to the upper side here like this. This is a support line, guys. And if we delete this, you can see we are nice over the support. So guys, if you are in a long position now, this support line on the RSI is really important on the 4-hour time frame. If we will go under this support line, I would make a stop loss position here to go out of the trade and take the profit. I have a really nice long position since long way from the downside. But this is now one of the things I'm watching. We need to stay in the uptrend channel. We need to stay over the middle line. We need to stay, if you are watching the RSI here, over this support line. And then is everything okay for me. If we will go down, I will take profit. Not all, but a little bit profit. And I will stay in here as long as we are in this nice uptrend channel. Okay, this is this stuff on the 4-hour time frame. You can also watch this on my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and on Twitch. And you can see all this stuff I'm telling you here also there, the diamond pattern, the RSI, and much more, guys. So RSI is important. We are really high, as I told you, not overbought, but this is the point now. This is the support line from the downside coming. This is really important stuff now, guys. So let's check the next thing. What is going on with the ribbon band? And we saw here for about 4 hours a spike down to the ribbon band, a really nice perfect hit, but we are for the moment over the ribbon band. And you can see here, these are the candlestick pattern, and this is also important. Let's remove all things I can show you. We have here, or we are building here for the moment, a bearish harami. This is not good. We had here a bearish engulfing, and the next bearish harami. So a lot of bearish patterns, a lot of bearish signs on the 4-hour time frame. So we need to watch this. Maybe we're going down a little bit. This is important. And now it's the question, guys. It's the big question. Is it a really bad diamond pattern, a really bad draw diamond pattern or not? I will try something. These are the lines to the upside. These are the lines to the left side. Let me show you, not from here, no, from here to the upside. It's a really ugly pattern. It's not a really nice diamond pattern if we are drawing like this. Okay, no, this is not working really nice. I think we can forget this. I think it's better to watch the diamond pattern from yesterday as this one, because this is not working for the moment. Let's remove this stuff, guys. Let's forget this stuff. It's not good. We have a lot of good wicks to the downside. This is positive, but let's forget this. It's not working so nice, guys. Let's go back to these drawings here. Okay, so this diamond pattern from yesterday is better. The breakout is better, and I think this is a really positive thing, a really possible thing. 47,900 to the upside. Let's remove this stuff all. Let's go in the 1 hour time frame. What is telling us the 1 hour time frame? You can see it here. We are fighting really nice with the middle line. Here is the big thing. We need to stay over 55,500. You can see it with the candles. We have confirmed closing candles over the middle line. This is good. And we need to stay over the middle line. This is really important. So, okay, the RSI on the downside, let me check this also, is on, it's not overbought for the moment. It's on 65 points, something about this. And this is everything I can tell you about this stuff here. Let me check this one, 55,000. 55,000 is a big thing to hold. Yes, that's the uptrend channel. That's the lower line of the uptrend. This is really important to hold this line. And the RSI on the downside, yes, let's remove this stuff. It's not important for the moment. And you can make a line from here to the downside. And you can see, yes, also we broke this resistance to the upside. This is also a bullish thing for me. And from the downside, we also can make a line. Let me show you very quick here for the 1 hour time frame. Yes, we are really nice over this trend line. This is really bullish. As long as we are over this trend line on the 1 hour time frame, everything is okay. This is working. So guys, everything is telling us we are bullish. Everything is telling us we can go up more and more and more. Some patterns are bearish, okay, but everything, or the most things, are telling us nice. We saw here a bad spike under the ribbon band, but we are over the ribbon band. Nice. And we are buying the first candles again over the middle line for the moment. Yes, nice. This is working, guys. Okay, this is a long video for today. Sorry about this, guys. But it's the weekly forecast. And for the weekly forecast, we're going back here. Let's check once again the 4 hour time frame. What are the big targets here to the upside? I told you we have to hold 55,000. I told you the technical target. I told you the Fibonacci line, 57,169. This is a really big resistance. And what is the next thing? What's the next thing? Let's zoom out a little bit more. Let's zoom out a little bit more, and you can see it now. The next big target for this week is what? 64,900. This is the last all-time high. It's possible to see this, in my opinion, really soon. We need to watch this point here. This point is really important. It's a big resistance. Why? You can see it here. We saw here some spikes to this point here, so it is now a really important resistance, and the resistance is here. We saw also the short signal here on the downside. The resistance is here. Let me show you. Let's zoom in a little bit more at this point here. 59,500 is the big resistance now we need to watch if we are climbed over 57,100. But this is one of the latest things. Let me tell you, 60,000, big psychological target. And then we are going up to the new all-time high. I think it's possible, guys. I think it's really possible to see this target in the next days. Maybe it's not impossible. So this is the weekly forecast, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is all I can tell you for the next days. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, I hope you make millions. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I hope you will make millions. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys. System activated.